welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn the taps of Despacito song on guitar. So let's start the video. So guys, first tip I want to give you that you have to play the guitar from 3 strings of the guitar, which is E string, B string and the G string from the bottom. And second tip, you have to play the song with all 3 fingers of your hand, which is index finger, middle finger and the ring finger. So let's start. Guys, you have to come to second string 12th fret and third string 11th fret and do 1 2 3 1 2 3. So like you can say 1 2 1. You have to do first on second string and then on third string and then again second string, then back jump to 9th fret E string first string and do 9 10 12 and then back to 12 9 10 second string 12th fret, then back 10 second string and then third string 12 and then E first string 10th fret double time. So it's come like a loop in this way. And then E string, first string and the second string, you have to hold it on the 10th fret with both your fingers like this, first string and the second string, and then play 1 2 1 2 12 E first string 9. Then again you have to do this in the same loop, like and when you have come to 12 third string and then you have to double tap, but in the second loop you don't have to do second times. You have 10 12 10 in the second time like this. And then again 11 10 times. This is the first loop you have to do 2 times, and then the main line we have come. We have to start this from the second string 12th fret, nine. So it's on the first string only, 9 10 9 10 9 10. Then second string 12, 2 to 3 times you can do it, and then again first string 9 10, then come to E string, first string 12th fret, then second string 10 and then the 10 9 10 9 10 12 10 9. So this you have to do, and I'll show you how you have to play in the form. 12, then 9. So this you can do 2 times or only 1 times, and then after it, when you have done 12, 10, 9, and then do on second string 12th fret, it's come oh no, and then come to first string 9th fret and 10th. So you have to do it very quickly, like it matches the song. So 9, 10, 9 on the E string, first string, and then come to 12th, second string, then 11th fret, third string, 8 times. So it comes like 12th, second string, and then second string 10th fret. So it becomes only 1 time you have to do on the 10th fret. And then when you come back from the 10th, 10, 12, and then third string 12th fret. This also you can do 5 to 7 times, and then back to second string 12 like this. This on third string, this on second string, then E string 9. So 9, 10, second string 10, then back to 10, E string, then 12 and 10. So this you have to do 2 times, as you have seen in the first format, and so it will be coming like this. You have done a oh no, this you have to do 2 times. And the ending of this song will be like this, on the first string only, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 9, 9, 10, 9, and then second string 12. It is like this. So here we have completed the taps of the Despacito song, and one more time I will show you how to play it, and you can recognize and that on which string, on which tab, and on which fret you have to play the song. So here I play the song and you can remember. So guys, this is how you have to play the song Despacito taps on guitar, and I hope you all guys learned something new from this video, and I hope you all guys enjoyed the video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for all the notification you get quickly when I post the video, and do comments for more videos for taps of the song, and till then, goodbye.